Sabyasachi, you are connected with us live right now. Well, Pradeep, this is unheard of. This is something a rare occurrence where an opposition MP like Shashi Tharoor, no less, conceding that India's balanced diplomacy has placed Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a position where he can engage both with the Ukraine and Russian presidents without any hostility.
Big embarrassment for the Congress party and appreciation for Shashi Tharoor because it needs a lot of guts to admit mistake, and Shashi Tharoor has done that. And when Shashi Tharoor is admitting a mistake, that means it's an embarrassment for the Congress because they had often been hitting out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his foreign policy. And here Shashi Tharoor standing out during the Rezana Hill dialogue, he's saying that he's still wiping the egg on his face because he was the one who had criticized that time Prime Minister Narendra Modi policy in Parliament when Russia had attacked Ukraine in 3 years back in the month of February. He said that because his criticism was based on the UN Charter because India had never ever been in favor of any kind of an existence, but India adopted a neutral policy. And today, after 3 years, he feels that he was completely wrong because Prime Minister's policy is like that. Today, he can hug Vladimir Putin as well as he can have Vladimir Zelensky also, the President of Ukraine. So it is because of this policy, India, that today India is in a position because India can ensure that peace in that region. Because I still remember I was covering the war with at that point of time, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the very first telephone call he had made to the Russian president as well as Zelensky also. In both the call, he said that the best option for both the countries that you should ensure peace and tranquility in the region because that is the best way you should follow. And exactly 3 years after a lot of death and destruction, finally both the countries are agreeing to the peace accord. Let's see what actually how Russia is going to move in this direction because already Ukraine has given a nod for that. And even the policy was criticized that because when India said that will continue to buy oil and natural gas from Russia because that time many of the European countries said why the India is doing so because the Indian foreign minister made it clear that we will be looking what is going to be best for them. If it is a US, America first, the same way it is about the India first because for whatever is beneficial to the people of India, what is beneficial to the people of the country, we'll be doing so. So we'll continue to buy oil and natural gas. And today you can see that both the countries looking for the peace and looking for the ceasefire. That's why the Shashi Tharoor really feels that he was completely wrong when he was criticizing at that time Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policy of neutrality because that policy at the end of the day is working because now he is in a position to in fact have a good relationship both with Russia
as well as the recent US visit, the Prime Minister and the relations between India and US was something that was questioned by the opposition. Pragya is also joining us live. Pragya, good morning. Now, Shashi Tharoor praising Prime Minister Modi and the government of India with its foreign policy. Now, this has happened in the past when he has praised the Prime Minister and the government, but this time an outright admission coming from Shashi Tharoor, no less being a Congress MP. What does it say?
Well, this is gracious of Shashi Tharoor, and we know, he is a diplomat. He had been a diplomat, and he knows foreign policy well, very much. And it is a very candid, I would say, confession by Mr. Shashi Tharoor, saying that he had egg on his face because he was the one who, in February, said, 3 years back, he said that this policy is wrong, and this is the time when he now sees that both, Prime Minister of India could go weeks apart in Ukraine and Russia and be accepted and hugged by both the presidents of Russia and Ukraine. The larger point here is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been able to ensure that there is peace in the region, and these are the smaller steps that goes in long way when it comes to the peace process amid the war that has been going on between Russia and Ukraine. But this admission is obviously has initiated a political debate. I would say Shashi Tharoor is having a rough time in the
politics there. Let's Sabya, now this is something that the Prime Minister time and again has made it clear, especially when it comes to India's stand. He says that India is not neutral. India has a stand, and that is calling for peace and dialogue, and that is exactly what he says when he meets both the leaders of Ukraine and also of Russia.
Well, that's right. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi time and again has emphasized his point on international platform that the war is not the solution. And this time around as well, he has categorically pointed out that he is in a position where he can hold talks with Vladimir Putin as well as Zelensky. And time and again, India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have retaliated that war is not the solution. And that is the result why we are seeing that this reaction and appreciation appreciation has come in from Shashi Tharoor, who has been a sharp criticism of the government since 2022, where he has accepted that this time around he is wiping the egg off his face. Now, he has praised India's neutral balance, and he has also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in a position where he can hug Zelensky, as well as he can hug Vladimir Putin, as well as he has credited Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Moscow and Kyiv as well. So this is a very big statement coming in from Shashi Tharoor in praise of the India government stand as far as the conflict of Ukraine and Russia is concerned.
Well, this is a big admission, no less, coming in from a Congress MP, especially when he criticized India's stand back then when the conflict broke out, and now he is admitting Congress party reacts to their own MP statement that has been made on India's foreign policy. Pragya Sabyasachi, Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a very short break.